In this video, we're given the following function: z is equal to x squared plus y squared plus xy. X is sine t, y is 4e to the t. Let's use the chain rule to find dz over dt. So if we draw a tree diagram, we know that z is going to be on the top and depends on both x and y. And those depend on t. So if I'm going to take the derivative of z with respect to t, I'm going to first go through x and then t, and then finally to y and then t. So partial z with respect to x times dx dt plus partial z with respect to y times dy dt. That's the formula here we have. So now I need to take the partials. So starting off with partial of z with respect to x, I'm going to take the partial derivative of x squared plus y squared plus xy with respect to x and get 2x plus y. Do the same thing but now with respect to y and get 2y plus x. Finally, we have to take dx over dt and dy over dt. So that's just going to be the derivative of sine t, which is cosine t, and then derivative 4e to the t, which is 4e to the t. Let's plug it into the equation. We have 2x plus y times cosine t plus 2y plus x times 4e to the t. Recall that x is sine t, y is 4e to the t. Substitute it in. Get 2 sine t plus 4e to the t times cosine t plus 8e to the t plus sine t times 4e to the t. Distribute. Get 2 sine t cosine t plus 4e to the t cosine t plus 32e to the 2t plus 4e to the t sine t. And note that these two terms have a 4e to the t in common. We can factor that out. And also, we can rewrite 2 sine t cosine t as just sine 2t. And then we have 4e to the t times the quantity cosine t plus sine t plus 32e to the 2t. And so that's going to be the final answer.